My poem is Alone by Ida Santos. She has been a writing fellow for the UP Writing Center and has received various literary awards from the Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards of Literature. I chose to perform this poem because I believe that it is important for each individual to reflect upon his own past experiences, for him to grow and learn, and to celebrate the gift of life. Alone by Ida Santos. To be alone is to sit with millions of memories. To sit still is to swim fathoms of deep seas of sighs. To sigh is to sing. To welcome awakened thoughts when sitting alone in the stillness of this song, of days gone by and nights to come, to feel the blazing suns of morning's flight.